Deltech opened its doors in 1968. It's a family-owned business with family members working in engineering and management. We are an ISO 9001:2015 company with a rigorous quality assurance program. Our control systems are Intertek certified as UL 508A compliant. We meet the needs of scientists, engineers, and production managers around the world in many universities, government labs, and industrial ceramics and specialty glass companies. We got our start providing novel solutions to difficult problems. We meet needs for a variety of communities: material science, ceramics engineering, and petrology. From a production furnace to make a telescope lens, to a recent project calling for a huge, highly automated bottom-loading vertical tube furnace. We have a tradition of taking on novel and difficult projects. Our customers face increasingly sophisticated processing challenges. Our corporate mission is to respond with inventive furnace solutions to help them meet their goals. Contact our co-owner directors to learn more.